Alright guys, now as you know, Boxycharm's limited edition skincare box is now going live. Everybody, all charmers, are allowed to pick up these boxes there. And the reason I say boxes is because there are two variations. Now, I'm going to tell you a way that you could get these boxes. First of all, they're $49.99 and they ship out in May. You will get 8 products worth over $250. And they are available, like I said, live right now to all charmers. So you can go to Boxycharm on their Instagram page, which is just at Boxycharm. I will put that down in my description box below. And they've got an image of both of these boxes, and you could just click on the shoppable image to get the box. Or you could go to their stories in their Instagram story on Boxycharm and just swipe up. It'll give you directions on that, what to do. Or you could go to boxycharm.com/skincare and go purchase the boxes there. Now, guys, I will leave all this down in my description box below. That way it's easy enough for you guys to find out how you can get your hands on this box. So again, today's the 24th, so all charmers can get it. Now I'm going to show you the first box, and I'll tell you what items were in that. And then I'm going to show you the second box that was just put out today, and I'll tell you what the difference is between the two boxes. So the first thing you know is the Glam Glow Super Serum that is valued at $65. The second thing is the Cosmetics Jade Roller that is $32. And then the Shoppable Beauty Cleansing Oil, which is also $32. And then the box has the Farcelli Jelly Beam Illuminating Highlighter, or whatever you want to call it, that is valued at $40. Then you'll get the Elemis Superfood Night Serum. That is valued at $55. And then you'll get the Saturday Skin Gel Pill. That is valued at $28. And then you'll get the 2 masks, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Mask. Again, that's a set of 2, so that is valued at $16. Now, the next thing that you're going to get in the first box is I think it's the Kadali. I'm not sure. I'm probably saying that wrong. But this is the Grape Water Spray, and that is valued at $10. Now, I'm going to go over the second box with you. And again, it's all about the same stuff except for the last item. So again, the first thing, the Glam Glow Super Serum, valued at $65, will be in that box. The second thing, again, is the Cosmetics Jade Roller, $32. The Shoppable Beauty Cleansing Oil, which again is $32. The Farcelli Jelly Beam is worth $40. The Elemis Superfood Night Serum is $55. Saturday Skin Gel Pill is $28. Then again, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Masks, again, you get a set of 2. That is valued at $16. And the last thing that is going to be in this box, instead of the Kadali Grape Water Spray, you'll be getting the, I think it's Core's Skincare Wipes. And this is the Greek Yogurt Cleansing and Makeup Removing Wipes. These are valued at $15. That is the only differences in these two boxes. And again, you know, Boxycharm surprises us every day, so we don't know what else they're going to put out. But as far as I know, it is just these two boxes. And again, the ways that I told you you could go and get these boxes are going to be down below in my description box. And guys, that is it for this video. I just wanted to bring this up and show you that there are going to be 2 different boxes. Not a big difference, but a little bit of a difference. So make sure your notification bell is on. That way you're notified of every time I upload a video. I'm always putting out spoilers, and so you want to be notified when I do upload videos, so make sure that bell is on. Another thing, guys, if you would, rate the video for me. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. It don't matter. It just shows YouTube that you're at least watching my videos. And one more thing before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.